Hello guys, somebody will say again, you show us again how to build a fermenter. The goal of this video is only to show you that in any country, if you have an airlock, if you have a tap, you can build your own fermenter. Because this winter, instead of going to Thailand, I am in Indonesia, Sulawesi, in the city of Manado. I tell because if somebody of you already been in Indonesia, try some dish, some food and want to reply at home, let me know down in the comment. I will try to learn some recipe and show the recipe here on the channel. Plus, if somebody of you is here in Manado and want to make some video with me, or only if you want to take a coffee with me, let me know down in the comment, or even better, you can write me on Instagram or on my email. Plus, here in Manado or close by, there is an extreme market, so I'm not sure if I want to make the video or no, because here in Indonesia they eat any kind of animal. In this market you can find the python, you can find the bat, you can find the rat, and unfortunately here they eat also cat and dogs. So if you are ready to see this market, let me know down in the comment, because I still don't know if I'm ready to. Okay, let's go at home and build our fermenter.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, narcisetto giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, narcisetto giro d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'orio brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei panacchini.
Okay, our lid is ready. We put the airlock on the top. Perfect. Now we should do the same things with the tap and the fermenter. Please do this operation very slow. Take your time. I speed up the video. You know the video is so long, but you should do this very careful, because if you broken it or the lid of the fermenter, after you should throw everything away and start from the beginning.
Quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle trovando al riposo, narcisetto giro d'amor. Delle belle trovando al riposo, narcisetto giro d'amor.
And voila, our fermenter is ready. Now I'll show you also that the lid have a rubber ring, so it will be very hermetic. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. Like I mentioned at the beginning, if you have some ideas, some suggestions, please write me down in the comment. Remember that I am in Indonesia. For example, the cow meat is very difficult to find, the milk also, but here, for example, is an island, you can find spectacular fish. So maybe I will do some video recipe with the fish, maybe with the tuna. Bye bye!